In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the data off a 2630 display. Once the display is powered on, go to the main menu, GS3, click on GS3 again, then go to the Memory tab, then to Erase Data. Choose All Data to wipe all the data off the 2630 display. Before you begin removal, please make sure that the user's data has been backed up to their John Deere Operations Center account, or that the data has been backed up to a USB drive. Once that is complete, you may begin removal. Once the data removal is complete, click Accept. Now the process of deleting all data from the 2630 display is complete.